I'm too big for this table.
I said I wish I made slime and my dreams came true.
And your dreams came true?
Yeah.
Oh, I broke my spoon.
Oh.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Ooh, who are you? Anyways, today I'm here with my two nieces. What are we doing today, guys?
Making slime.
Yeah, we're gonna make some slime. So if you guys are interested in watching
We went to the store.
Oh yeah? What else did we do?
We got some three glues. And then we got 2 bowls and a lot of spoons.
A lot of spoons? Yeah, we got some bowls, we got some glitter.
We got some glue.
We got all the goodies, right? We got all the goodies to make the slime. If you guys are interested in watching us make slime for the first time ever, stay tuned. And this is
Alana Carter.
And this is
the Riley Gomez Marshall.
Oh, the whole government name.
Okay, what are we making today?
Yes, we're making slime. So we got our little setup here. I'm too big for this, but you know, we're gonna make it work. All right, so we went to the store. We just went to the dollar store and picked up a couple things that we needed.
For the slime.
Yeah, for the slime. So you wanna, what did we get?
Glue. We got shaving cream. What is that? I don't know what it is.
It's contact solution.
And we got pom-poms.
Yeah, and we got some glitter.
Glitter, and we got some spoons.
So pretty much before we went to the store, I just looked up a recipe on how to make slime.
She pick us up from home.
I did. I picked them up from the house. So the recipe pretty much just said glue, a little baking soda, whipped cream, and then contact solution. So hopefully this is as easy as we think it is.
And we got pom-poms. Is that pom-poms?
And we're gonna see.
And different colors.
So everybody's gonna get 2 glues, right?
Yeah.
And then let's start with one, because let's make 2 glues. So we're just gonna start with one and just open it and take the top off.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
There's a big bubble too.
I have not worked with glue in I don't even know how long. So this should be very, very interesting. Okay, we're gonna do just one now, okay? Here, you can take your spoon. Here's your spoon. You don't need to stir it. You don't need to stir it yet. There's nothing in there. I'm being a weirdo. I'm trying to get all my glue out. No glue left behind.
That's what I watched on the phone. The blue thing poured in the thing. 3 poured in there. Like
Dig it. Okay.
So she got it all over
I'm
the
already
floor.
making a mess. Let me wash my hands. Okay, let me give you a little on your spoon, and you're gonna mix this. You already got glue on here.
And then I'm gonna mix it. And I'm gonna pour in there and mix it, right?
Yeah, you can pour it in there and mix it in. Where's your spoon, Laura?
Is here. Oh. Look at me too.
Yeah, just keep mixing it in there. So the recipe, it didn't really have exact measurements. It just said like a pinch of this, some of that. There's something in your eye? What's in your eye?
It's hot in there.
It's hot in your eye? Okay, be careful. Okay, so once you kind of get that in there and mix it all up, now is the part where we add the shaving cream. Okay, wait. I know you want to add your own shaving cream. Let me read the directions. I don't use shaving cream. Are there any, what?
You put your finger on it, they spray it.
Oh, you know better than me. Okay, here, go ahead, spray some in there. You can make sure you do it in here. Here, let me do it.
I don't want to do
We
it.
add a little at a time, okay? Oh, you want to do it? I'm sorry, here. Just keep stirring it in there.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, you just push it. This is gonna come out.
Okay, that's how I went.
That's all you want? Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna add like low key a lot to mine because I don't know. We're just gonna see. I don't know how this is gonna work out.
This is gonna be so fun.
Sunshine, she's here. You can
Mine is so cute. Oh, look at my sister.
So here, show. Mine looks like whipped cream. I don't know, like.
Mine looks like slime.
Here, show. Theirs is like nowhere near mine's. Yours, okay. Hers is like a little thickening up, but it's not. Mine's is really thick.
Mine's is really. I like mine.
Oh, you know what we forgot? Dye.
What is that?
To make the slime colorful. I didn't really need color. Oh man. Okay. Did you guys want to add glitter in yours?
Yeah.
You guys want to add some glitter? Okay. Let's open up the glitter. I don't know. Like I didn't really like watch.
You should have put
Anybody do this? So I'm not following like a step by step. We're just kind of winging it out here. But if we fail, then the next one we'll try to follow somebody's and like see how to do it better. I don't know how I forgot dye.
What is that?
Okay, what color?
I want the purple.
Okay,
I want this one.
okay.
No, I want
You want two? You want two?
I want yes.
Okay.
Glitter and purple.
take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space.
The next step that I seen was to add in the contact solution. I'm gonna do this for you because I don't want you to be too much. Okay, now just stir it. Keep stirring it, okay?
A lot.
With the air, like I
Yeah, keep stirring. I see hers is like kind of congealing over
This
here.
is
You wanna keep stirring. Just stir, stir, stir.
Oh,
Here,
look at
hold your bowl in one
sisters.
hand. There you go, and just keep stirring.
Oh, look at Tutu.
Okay, we gotta add more.
don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because
Let me stir for you.
Look
Let me help
at
you
that.
stir.
Oh, I can go wax off. Look at Tutu. Wait.
Keep stirring it.
It got
Okay,
on my
Lana, yours looks like.
Mine's
Okay.
not. Is mine slime yet?
So now you gotta take it out and play with it in your hand. You gotta take it out. Get your hands in there. There you go.
Look at.
And mush it. Let me see.
Oh,
Yeah, go ahead. Get your hands in it.
Oh, I put my hands in it now.
Okay. Now you want to get your hands in yours.
Okay.
Keep playing with it. Take it all out in your hand and mush and mush.
Look at
Show the camera your slime.
Look at my slimy. Slime. You have to put my. We can put this on video. And then it's gonna load.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my gosh. Okay, it's not ready yet. It needs more activating.
Hey, look at my slime. I'm gonna put more glitter
Just
in
keep
that.
going like this.
I'm gonna put
Keep
more
leaving
glitter in
it.
mine. Oh god.
Oh my god. I feel like a kid again. I love this.
Good lord, it's so sticky. Don't say
It
that.
is. It's super sticky.
Don't say Oliver.
So other times I've seen people make slime and they say it's sticky. You got to add more activator. So you got to add more contact solution.
I never made slime, but today I am.
You never made. Did you have fun? Are you having fun making the slime?
Yeah.
Oh
I never
my
made
lord.
slime.
Oh my lord.
I wish I made slime, but my dream could too.
You couldn't say that again?
I said I wish I made slime and my dreams came true.
And your dreams came true.
Yeah.
I'm glad I made your dreams come true.
Oh.
Okay.
You have to do this too.
Yeah. You're gonna be like, oh, yours looks good.
Look at mine. Okay, I just need more pom pom. I mean, more
That's pretty good.
I like more glitter.
Better than mine's is okay. I think for me, honestly, I added way too much shave cream. I just wanted to be like fluffy and light. I thought that was cool.
Look at us. I'm
Take it
gonna
out,
have
put it on
my
the
glitter
table.
lines. I'm gonna my glitter. I'm gonna put
Clap along if you know what.
I'm just gonna like. Tutu, I'm gonna make it other slime too.
We can make another slime, yes.
Tutu, look you guys, we got that. This looks like we're doing a challenge. Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Tutu, are we doing this challenge?
No challenge.
I didn't want to do. But make sure. This is a video.
Let me see.
We're gonna do mine is ready.
Yours is ready.
I can't.
Are you happy with your slime? Look at it.
Look at mine.
Let me see.
What?
Yours is like a little bit sticky still. Here, let me just add a little bit.
It's hard to mix now.
Just mix it in your hand. Just go like this. You just go like this in your hand.
Oh.
Just like this.
I didn't do that with my glitter.
Alana, you need more glitter? She's putting the whole glitter.
Oh god. I'm gonna run out.
I see. You're using all the glitters. Save some. Okay, so I think on a scale of 1 to 10, I think my slime is a fail.
Let me just add more glitter. Look at mine. Glitter. What? This.
Oh.
Tutu, put your fingers in there. Oh, Tutu, look at this. Oh!
I see the obsession.
How do you see that in something?
The obsession with the noise. Oh my gosh.
Oh god.
Actually, okay, I don't think I failed at all.
This is so perfect.
It's so perfect.
Yeah, I made it just like I wanted. I made it what?
You made it perfect. You make me want to add more glitter on mine. Look at yours.
Hey, I'm gonna add more on Tutu's.
Oh gosh. Oh, okay.
Let's just put it up. Now you want some of mine, huh?
Okay, Alana, no more glitter. No more glitter.
Okay. Oh god, I forgot to close it. This is so perfect to me. My mom would like it. But I'm gonna put it on my bowl. I'm just gonna make it so I made it like I was. I'm gonna show him and Kayla this.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get it let's go in front of the table and show our slimes, okay? No, take it out the bowl. Put it in your hand.
Okay.
Get it in your hand. Oh my god.
Look at mine. This is so stretchy.
Here, you gotta step back a little.
Look at mine.
There you go.
Okay.
All in all, like,
Look at that.
I don't know.
Mine is a boy head.
I don't know if I did it right or wrong.
Mine is a boy head.
I did it wrong?
You did it right.
I did it
Mine
right?
is a boy head.
You gotta step back. Come on, Robert.
Mine is a boy head. Look at it's cute.
You gotta get down.
Look at. Oh,
You gotta get down, Robert. You can't see. You gotta see yourself. There you go.
Good word down. Oh, girl. Okay.
Yeah, hold it over here like this.
Remember, Tutu's on your side and you're on Tutu's side.
There you go.
And I'm in the middle. Look at my slime. It's so fluffy, guys. I need to show this to my mom really bad.
I'm definitely 100% happy with this slime.
I just got some from my bowl.
It smells It smells so weird.
Smell it. It smells like
Now I
that.
see why people like color it and
Oh,
add
it
essential
smells good.
oils.
Look at the glitter.
Look at the glitter. Ooh, show them all the glitter.
Oh, mine smells
Show
soft.
all the glitters.
Feel mine.
The soft-
I put a lot of
Ooh.
glitter in there.
Yeah.
Feel mine, Tutu.
I like it.
Oh, it was jumping.
Ooh.
Mine's, I feel good, Tutu.
Okay.